Action!
Hi guys, welcome to Audrey channel. Today we're gonna open the Shopkins hot dog stand.
Well, this is from the World Vacation series. Can you show us the box?
World Vacation.
Yeah, you want to have a vacation?
I go vacation before.
Where have you been before? You remember?
Amsterdam, Prague, Germany, Macau, Hong Kong.
What else?
I forgot. Sweden. Singapore.
Yes.
Malaysia.
Yeah. Done? Okay. And anyway, never mind. Wow, this must be fun, right?
Yeah.
Well, let's have a close-up of the box. Well, must be fun. This
Can I open it now?
Yeah, sure, of course.
It's hard to take out. Sure is hard. Thanks. Now we need to take it. Scissors, please.
You need some help?
No. All the things, just cut everything.
Don't cut your finger. Remind the children to use the
You
scissors.
remind her first.
Well, they got some special Shopkins, 2 exclusive Shopkins.
It's one ketchup and one hot dog.
They call it Harry hot dog and Katrina ketchup. But you look like a mustache.
Yeah, look at the splat in the top. But the whole bottle is ketchup.
The box set is the ketchup.
Can you take that hot dog? That's very hard. Whoa. We got too overboard. No, this is upside down. I'll take it myself. I can do it. I'll do it all by myself. No help. Now I need to do it at the back. Like really. At the back on the top here first. Okay, now is there any more on the top? Here. Just.
Or maybe you need some help.
No thanks. No, just gonna cut it. Now I'm gonna do it at the here. Still have the thing not cutting done. Yeah. But it's easy.
It's not easy. No, you do it at the back side. It's easy. Just do it like
I
this.
can do it no matter how long I take. Take it, break it up, take it up, take it up. This one's not yet done. Okay, broken. Take the rest out. Where's it gone? Did you took it?
Yeah.
Where does this one come from? Okay, down here. Down here, take it out. I'm taking that out. Any more inside? Just gonna break the whole block no matter what I do. This one, where is this one? It's up here. Can I do out. Right here. And more. Let me see more. Push the box back enough.
Let me help you on this. Give me a scissor. It's much faster from here. You cut it from here. Done.
Thanks. Now I just have to get the hot dogs out. They're very teeny.
Don't drop your hot dog. Don't lose your hot dog.
Only 4 hot dogs. If you lose one, you already have 3. If you lose 2, you only have 2. If you lose
Let's have a close up
3,
of hot
you
dog
can
stand.
only have 1 hot dog.
This is the hot dog stand. That's the
Careful, don't drop the
way to-
drawer.
yeah. The drawer is here. Hot dog stand. I love hot dog. Have you ever been to New York?
What?
Have you been to New York? Never.
Can you take the hot dogs out for me, please? I'll take these too. So we can. I'm a professional at making hot dogs. I'll give you a perfect Shopkins hot dog like this. Very shiny. I'll give you one. Okay?
I love hot dogs.
Yeah.
Last time I went to New York, the hot dog cost me $3.
$3?
Yeah,
How
$3.
big was that?
Was bigger than your hand.
Like that big?
No,
That big?
smaller.
That big?
A little bit bigger.
That big?
Smaller.
That big?
Yeah, roughly the size.
That big?
Okay, you put the hot dog there. Let
Hey, let me make the hot dogs first. Okay, I'll cook the hot dogs. Cook, fry. Fried. Look at this, you can also turn it around.
Let's have a close up on that hot dog.
You can roast it. If you turn this thing, if you
Okay.
turn this thing, you're gonna have to turn it around and the hot dog will go round and round.
Yeah. It's
And
fine.
it will roast like this hot dog. Okay. I'm making the hot dog. And then after I finish one, pretend I finish one, I'll put them in here.
Hey girl, how much is a hot dog?
$1. $3. Here you have the small dog. Hey, you give me it.
Put some ketchup on it.
Ketchup, meatballs. Here you go.
Yeah, you can put it here, a hot dog, and the ketchup.
And we'll spread. Put the ketchup over here. And then put it over here.
Yeah, let's have a close up on the hot dog
I'll
stand.
go down so you
Yeah, I can see you in the hot dog stand. Cheers. Good.
Okay, I'll get out. This looks very fun to do. Then I'll hide it. And close your eyes, guys. Okay. Bye, guys. See you next time. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel and give us a big thumbs up. Bye.